some gravy. It's time to eat, y'all. Hey, y'all, I'm back with It's a Snack. I put it back. Hey, it's a snack. I put it back. Come on, it's a snack. I put it back. Hey, it's a snack. Put it back. Come on. How y'all doing? Oh my goodness. I hope you had a great day. Night of siesta. Y'all, I'm hungry. Like, I can't even fake the funk. Like, I'm hungry. So, I'm back with another one. I'm back with another one. What I got today? Hey, I'm sorry if y'all hear something in the background going zoom, zoom, zoom. They zooming. It's the weekend, y'all. We zoom. We zoom. Because it's your girl, Manisha. Oh, man. I stepped out and got some Jollibees. I'm so excited, y'all. I've been seeing it all over YouTube, like, a long time ago. But I'm finna bring it back. You know what I'm saying? Because I like me some chicken like that. So, I got some Jollibees. It's actually a Filipino fast food restaurant. Okay, so I got the fried chicken, spaghetti. This is very known for their spaghetti. I got their mango peach pie. Check it out, check it out, check it out now. And I got the hello, hello. Oh, I sound like someone else saying hello, hello, hello. And I got some gravy. So y'all know I'm gonna be dipping the sauce. And then I got a pineapple drink. Okay. I'm about to get into it. But first of all, I got the, just in case, I got the sauce. Because I'm about to eat. So, where do I start? I'll start with the spaghetti. Have you ever had Jollibees before? Or do you have Jollibees in your neighborhood? So, this spaghetti is unique to me because it looks like little weenies in it. There's these little weenies in it. Oh, I got to shout out Adrian for taking my order. It's so sweet. Thank you, honey bunny. Yeah. It looks cheesy, y'all. It looks saucy. I'm excited. I'm going to get a good bite for y'all. Good bite. Okay? So y'all can get y'all some. Ooh, stay with it. I don't want the fall. Ooh, let me get a good swizzle. Like, I'm acting like I don't know how to eat spaghettis. Spaghettis. I'm excited, y'all. I'm ready to eat. 1, 2. Mm. Oh. Mm. I've been having some spaghettis too. Spaghettis. Come through. Spaghettis. Look at it. Oh, I got a good one that time. Ooh, drop it like it's hot. It's good, y'all. It's a snack. It's very flavorful. It's a little sweet. If you don't like spaghetti sweet, I don't know. It's a little sweet. Not too sweet. It's good. It's got a good taste in it. I was scared because it had the little weenies in it. But it's good. I'm used to sausages and hot links. But yeah, and a lot of parsley. But this right here is singing a song to my soul. It's good. I'm gonna move on to something else. Too many plans to go out. I wanted this. I ain't ate all day. I really wanted them. Imagine if it wasn't a snack, I would have been loaded. Y'all gotta try Jollibees. Let me know in the comments below if you ever tried it. If you like it, if you don't like it. I always gotta feed my girls. Woo woo. Gotta feed them. Okay. Let's get to the drink. This one is a pineapple drink. Let's see how this one work out. Ooh, that's fresh pineapples. I don't know if they went to Hawaii to go get this pineapple and put it in this drink, but that's a whole pineapple. For real, that's like fresh pineapple juice. It ain't no fake fake pineapple flavor. This tastes like a fruit, y'all. Okay. What's next? What's next? The shishin. Let's do the shishin. So I'm gonna do it regular. Oh yeah, just in case I got some extra pieces for y'all. Come on, put your hand in there. Go and get you some. All right, that's enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this shishin. This shishin. You ready? I'm ready. 1, 2. It's crunchy. Come on, wrong crunchy chicken. Slap. I ain't putting none of this back, huh? A little gristle. Ooh, I didn't offer y'all now. I did. Oh, okay. It's good. So I go working my little fingers, huh? Let me put a little salt something. This chicken good, y'all. It's crunchy. Put a little sriracha on that thing. Yes. I like heat. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna have to get y'all some of this. I went to the one in Cerritos and California. Now, yeah, you catch the 91, you know, from Norwalk. You run right into it. It's a little plaza. It's good, y'all. I'm eating the gristle and everything. I don't usually eat other people's gristle down to the bone now. Hold on, there's some crunchiness for you. Ow, get it. I gotta do like this because I'm feeling myself. I finally went and got my fingers tamed and got something, a little something by your girls. Casey, X-Bar. Hi, Bill. How you doing? She hit your girl up. So I don't have to have these ugly monster fingers eating food. I'm just playing. So let me hurry up and eat this. They got the halo in the pie. Which one I want to do now? Let me do the halo because it's melting. Okay? I'm going to get my life. Let's see. It got a spoon in it, so I don't think you're supposed to slurp it. Look at you. Hold on. It looked like some purple and white and like, look. I probably should have did some research on this. But it looked like an icy. It looked like taro. You know how like the taro, it'd be purple? I don't know what it really look like. And it got some balls down here. What do you mean? I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Come on. Resty. I'm resty. Okay, I'm gonna just get a sample taste. I'm gonna get some yellow and purple. I don't want to put it on my chicken because I'm coming back for that, y'all. I'm gonna try 1, 2. Hello. Let me get down deep in there. There's some stuff in here. That's good. Good flavor. It's not too sweet either. Y'all know what's in the halo? Let me know in the comments below. Because I'm just eating. I told you I was hungry today. Let me try this. I don't know about all of that at the bottom. Hold on, let me see. I don't know. I don't know what that's at the bottom. It was real gummy in my mouth, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. All right, let me see. That ain't it. What that is? Is them beans? I think them beans, y'all. I ain't gonna make it. I ain't gonna make it. Sorry, y'all. Nope. I don't want that part. I'm gonna stick to the top. It has like a little lychee inside of it. That part I like a little sweet. But not them beanses. I can't do them beanses. Next time I have to get yeah, these look like beans, y'all. Hold on, let me show you. No. Stop it up. This help. Stay with it. I don't want it to drop. Well, that's just in the back. And I really wanted it to. That's just in the back for me. I enjoyed the ice in the taro and like the white part. I can't get with the beans, y'all. I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay. Hold on. I can do this pineapple all day. Let me see something. I'll try to find something in this right here. And then I'm gonna move to the pie. I'm acting up, huh? I know. That's all right. Still love me and pray for me. Good. Hello. Make me wanna holla. Let me see. It's good by itself. The chicken is good by itself, but I like a little spice. Maybe you don't like no spice, but I do. I knew sriracha probably go good with it. I'm gonna move on to the pie. Set it off. Grand finale. I'm gonna just get the top of the hollow. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. To each his own. To each his own. Okay, I want to do this peach pie. Peach mango pie. Peach mango pie. Y'all know I'm crazy. I ain't got no act right. Leave me lie. You know I got no act right. You get your nails done, you be like, yeah. Stupid. So this is the peach mango pie. I can't wait to try it, y'all. Oh, it's real crispy. Like, oh, you can hear it. Oh, stay with it. Okay, let's bite into it. One, two. I think I found a friend. Hold on. That thing good, y'all. You can not. Yeah. Real jelly feel too. They wasn't stingy with the filling. Don't you hate when you get a pie? You ain't got nothing but pie with no filling. They need their bubble for that. Right here, they doing it with this pie, honey. Y'all want to get on home. Get you some. Okay. So, what did I like? The spaghetti is fire. It's a snack. chicken is a snack. We're gonna talk later. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Wait. Hold on. I meant to do this, store. Since I got this gray side, I'm gonna dip it in there. What you know about that? I'm about to. I know I got a thigh right there, but that's not what I want to do. I want to dip my drumstick in this thing. Look at that. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna do it like I mean it though. How about that? Look at that. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying not to drop it so much on myself. You know, some gonna touch my soul, but I'm gonna try not to get so much. All right. Ready? 1, 2. That's good. Try with the gravy, y'all. Try with the gravy. See what this sriracha look like. Good. It's good. That ain't good, y'all. It's good. You gotta try it. You gotta try it. Get you some Jollibee. If I'm near you, in your town, you should just make a friend so they can ship you some. Okay? But it is not. My dinner was a success. I'm so happy I don't know what to do. Hello. We're gonna have to holler later because I don't know, player. I don't know, it's different. Different. I don't know what beans is in the jelly. Blessing in the cup. Blessing in the cup. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go try you some Jollibees. Get your grub on just like I did, y'all. It's a snack, okay? Shout out everybody who watch your girl. We are growing, y'all. Our little family is growing. I see y'all all in the comments. Hi, hello. I promise I'm going to get to all the comments. I promise. I appreciate every single one of you. Every one of your comments, your likes. You drop it like it's hot comments. I don't know. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. Y'all, I got gas. Hold on. Hit the thumbs up button. I be trying not to burp. Oh, I don't like it. But and let everybody know what your girl doing over here. Y'all know I ain't got no sense. Okay? I just love to have fun. Positive energy, positive vibes, love everywhere. Y'all, I'm gonna see y'all again. Thank you for everything. And I holla, cause you've been watching. It says what? A snap. I put it what? Bad. Hey.